Part 1, number 3. In A, I like to eat satay Padang because it's a very savory taste. And also, satay Padang is different from other satay with a spice like a curry. But I usually eat with a warteg because it has a cheap price and has a lot of food with a very good taste. Warteg also has many stalls in Tangerang. And also, warteg is very tasty and very cheap. There is another food that I like besides satay Padang, which is a meatballs because meatballs have a very good taste, especially eaten well hot with cold weather. Meatballs that I have eaten the most delicious are meatballs near my house, namely Jawir Meatballs. He has a very delicious meatballs, especially Jawir Meatballs close to my house. In B, I on a vacation in Bandung with my friend. I went to Bandung using a motorbike with a travel time of about 6 hours. The way to Bandung many exciting, such as passing through the peak of the Bogor, which is a very cold, and also resting in Warpat with a beautiful scenery. After arriving in Bandung, there I stayed at my friend home in Bandung. I stayed a week. There I walked to Braga and Asia Africa in a week because Bandung has a cold weather and a city is beautiful. Bandung residents are also very friendly to migrants. The transportation that I often wonder, where is the motorbike? Why is the motorbike? Because the motorbike is so efficient. Where it is carried with a lot of traffic jams. In the Tangerang, are using a motorbike will be more efficient. Especially, also, I like ride a motorbike. The vehicle that I want to have for the future is the Rubicon car. The Rubicon car is very dancing and has a very elegant design. The Rubicon car is a car that can run with all terrains because has a large body. Thank you. In a part 1, number 6, I almost use all social media, starting from Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. But between that, I prefer to use Instagram and TikTok. Occasionally, I use Twitter. Social media allows people to stay connected with their friends, family, and coworkers, especially if they are different geographic locations. I also use social media to share information, news, and update with their network. They can also get up-to-date information from other people and news sources. I also often use social media as a form entertainment, such as watching video and following funny content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Twitter benefit like share short updates, follows news in real time, connect with influencer, and participates in discuss using hashtag. It's a great for a quick, conscious communication. Twitter is known for its real-time nature, making it a valuable search. Being news, updates, and trending topics, user can stay informed about the current event and discuss they unfold. Twitter is often used as political discourse and social activism movement, and this cause can gain visibility and support through the use hashtag and the amplification of message. Instagram benefits share visual content, connect with a younger audience, and explore trends in photograph design. It's widely used by influence and business for visual marketing. Instagram is a visual platform that allow users to tell stories through photos and video. They're effective for business and individual looking for engage their audience with compelling visual content individuals. In TikTok benefits, create share a short form video, often to set soft music, is a popular platform from creative experience, entertainment, and viral challenge. TikTok allows users to express themselves creative. Through short video, it provided a platform users to showcase their talents, whether in the dance and music, comedy, or from creative expression. Viral potential TikTok has unique algorithm that can quickly expose content to large audience. This gives users the potential to go viral and gain wide recognition. 2. I will explain photo 1. In this photo is a picture of a doctor and several nurses. Doctors who have a very big responsibility to help a patient who are sick, and nurses are assistant doctors who will always help doctor, each carrying out their duties, namely healing sick patients. Nurse must also be swift in. Doctor is a general term for someone who has undergone special education and training in medical science, diagnose, treat, and prevent disease. The official title for a doctor who has complete medical education is a doctor or DR. After this degree, a person usually chooses to delve into a specific field of medicine and can earn more specific degree, such as a dentist, veterinarian, or other specialists carrying out of their duties as assistant. Physicians are key numbers in healthcare system and play an important role in serving the health needs of the community. They work in hospital, clinic, private practice, and variety of other settings. Thank you, guys. How do you make a holiday memorable?
In my opinion, if I went to go on holiday, I will first determine what transportation I will use. I use private transportation more often because it saves my budget and is more flexible. So, I suggest that if you want to go on holiday, it's better to go to a vacation spot that can be reached by private vehicle.
That's also important, but I think the activities we do are also the things that must be considered.
Oh, I prefer to plan a memorable holiday, something like a beautiful place. For example, that very beautiful beach is Banda Neira. Even though transportation to Bandera is in the quiet, it will pay off there because the views are very beautiful.
Yes, what Alan said is true. That must be also considered. We can do many activities there, such as snorkeling, enjoying the view, and spending time there.
Okay. But in my opinion, if we went to go to Banda Neira, transportation there is inadequate, especially since it is far from where we live. So I will choose to use a private vehicle.
Even with inadequate transportation and remote location, it will be very impressive if we can on holiday to Banda Neira. With the many activities that been inside, we can also do many things there. It will be a very memorable holiday.
So, what do you think that we want to do there?
I will go snorkeling there because Banda Neira has beautiful coral reefs and a variety of fish.
How about we try the typical Banda Neira food, which is now too very difficult, delicious.
I might choose to see the dolphins because in there the dolphins will appear in the afternoon with a beautiful view.
Yeah. So, what do you think, guys, are the factors that can influence your holiday?
Okay, I agree the most important factor for a memorable holiday is choosing a destination.
I agree with Alan's choice. The destination is the most important things for a memorable holidays. Place like Banda Neira will be very beautiful to visit and very memorable.
So, we all agree that if we went to go on holiday, we have to choose a beautiful place to make beautiful memories too. So, we chose a destination as an important thing to make our holiday memorable.
Why did you choose Multimedia Nusantara University for your bachelor degree?
Why did I choose to study at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara? Because I was not accepted at National University. I also choose to study at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara because many facilities at UMN impressed me. Universitas Multimedia Nusantara accreditation made me interested in registering at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara. And also when I was in high school, my school come to the UMN campus, and I am interested in what is at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara. I also chose Universitas Multimedia Nusantara because the scholarship was quite large and made me not mind paying the starting fee at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara. The reason I took management at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara was because from childhood I like doing business and I want to develop my business now at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara. So, what about you, Erlan?
The reason I choose to study at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara, the main thing is that I study at UMN because the distance to my house is quite close, and also Universitas Multimedia Nusantara has a pretty good accreditation with the good accreditation. So I think the learning at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara is definitely very good and will be used in the future. I am interested in studying at Universitas Multimedia Nusantara because it very good facilities and buildings, different from other campus. There are also factors that made me choose Universitas Multimedia Nusantara because I got a scholarship to go Universitas Multimedia Nusantara, so I chose UMN to continue my higher education. So Benny, what reason you chose Universitas Multimedia Nusantara?
My reason are almost the same as Rapip. I was also rejected by a national university. Immediately, I want to take a medical school. Finally, I chose UMN because I wanted to major in management because it was accredited A, and the distance from UMN to my house was not too far, so I could come to campus flexible. The facility at UMN are also very good, such as buildings and other things. This campus is also famous because it's owned by one of the largest companies in Indonesia, namely Kompas. Therefore, I want to continue my education here. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you.